friends, how are you? Welcome to the Talentrix channel. Talentrix, we driven to explore talents from students in podcast industry. Do listen our audio visual blogs in Kannada, English and in Hindi. Do subscribe and press the bell button for regular updates. My dear friends, do you know anything about biogas plant? I thought you know little bit about it. Yes, I also know a little bit, but not fully understood. Are you curious to know about this? So, let's know about biogas plants from Abhigna Katti in today's video.
Hey there everyone, Abhigna this side from Baalabalaga school, and today in this recording I'm going to talk about biogas plants. Firstly, we'll start with the introduction. Biogas plants are eco-friendly facilities that convert organic waste like animal manure and food scraps into biogas through anaerobic digestion. Biogas is a renewable energy source primarily composed of methane, which can be used for cooking, heating and electricity generation. Additionally, the residue from the process, called digestate, can serve as a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Biogas production reduces greenhouse gas emissions, minimizes waste, and produces a sustainable energy solution. Do you know how these plants work? Let's learn about it. Biogas plants work through a process called anaerobic digestion, where microorganisms break down organic materials such as food waste or manure in the absence of oxygen. This process produces biogas, mainly methane and carbon dioxide. The biogas can be captured and used for energy, while the remaining material can be used as a fertilizer. It's a sustainable way to manage organic waste and generate renewable energy. Biogas plants have several practical uses, including the first one, cooking. Biogas can be used as a clean and efficient fuel for cooking in households and small-scale kitchens. Second one, heating. Biogas can be used for space heating, water heating, and even in industrial processes that require heat. The third one is electricity generation. Biogas can power generator and produce electricity, which can be used for lighting and other electrical appliances. The fourth one is vehicle fuel. In some cases, biogas can be upgraded to biomethane and used as a renewable and clean vehicle fuel. The fifth one is fertilizer. The residue from the biogas production processes, known as digestate, is a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer that can be used in agriculture. Sixth one is waste management. Biogas plants help in the environment-friendly disposal of organic waste, reducing the need for landfilling and minimizing methane emissions from decomposing organic matter. Seventh one is environmental benefits. Biogas production reduces greenhouse gas emissions by capturing methane that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere. The versatility of biogas makes it a sustainable and eco-friendly energy source with various applications. While biogas plants offer several benefits, they also have some limitations and potential drawbacks. The first limitation is initial investment. The construction of biogas can require a significant upfront investment, which can be a barrier for some individuals or communities. Second one is maintenance. Biogas plants need regular maintenance to ensure efficient operation. Without proper maintenance, they can become less productive or even fail. The third one is feedstock availability. The availability of organic waste or feedstock is crucial for biogas production. In some areas, a consistent or sufficient supply of feedstock may be a challenge. The fourth one is space requirements. Biogas plants, especially large ones, require space for installation. In densely populated or urban areas, finding suitable space can be a limitation. The fifth one is energy content. Biogas has a lower energy content compared to natural gas, which may necessitate large storage and distribution infrastructure for the same energy output. The sixth one is odor and hygiene issues. Biogas production can generate odors and hygiene concerns, particularly when handling organic waste. The seventh one is biogas composition. The composition of biogas can vary and it may contain impurities such as hydrogen sulfide, which can corrode equipment and require additional treatment. The eighth one is energy intensive upgrading. If biogas needs to be upgraded to biomethane for use as a vehicle fuel, the upgrading process can be energy intensive and costly. The ninth one is climate dependency. Biogas production can be affected by climate conditions such as temperature and seasonal variations in feedstock supply. Despite these limitations, biogas plants remain an environment friendly and sustainable option for energy generation and waste management, with potential benefits that often outweigh the drawbacks depending on the specific circumstances and goals. Biogas primarily consists of methane and carbon dioxide, but its composition can vary based on the feedstock and production processes. There are few types in biogas, namely, the first one is cow dung biogas, produced from an anaerobic digestion of cow dung. The second one is sewage biogas, generated through the anaerobic treatment of sewage. Third one is landfill biogas, formed as an organic waste, decomposes in landfills. Fourth one is food waste biogas, produced by digesting organic kitchen waste. The fifth one is crop residue biogas, derived from the anaerobic decomposition of agricultural residues. Each type has its unique characteristics and applications. Now, let's discuss some interesting questions and answers in this topic. The first question is, who invented biogas? The first human use of biogas is thought to date back to 3000 BC in the Middle East, when the Assyrian used biogas to heat their baths. A 17th century chemist, Jan Baptist van Helmont, discovered that flammable gases could come from decaying organic matter. The second question is, which is the largest biogas plant in India? And the correct answer is in Punjab. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated Asia's largest compressed biogas (CBG) plant in Punjab's Sangrur on 18th October 2022. It is spread across an area of 20 acres and has been commissioned with an FD of approximately Rs 220 crores. The third question is, what is the rank of India in biogas production? India is implementing one of the world's largest program in renewable energy. The country ranks second in biogas utilization. Biogas can be generated and supplied round the clock, in contrast to solar and wind, which are intermittent in nature. The fourth question is, who is the largest producer of biogas in the world? And the answer is America. America has been the world's biggest producer of biogas since 2019, with output increasing by an impressive 20% last year to a total of 2 billion cubic meters, and it holds almost 30% of global production. The fifth question is, what are the alternative names of biogas? Biogas is most commonly also known as biomethane. It's also sometimes called marsh gas, sewage gas, compost gas, and swamp gas in the US. The sixth question is, which is the largest biogas plant in the world? The world's largest biogas plant was inaugurated on Finland's western coast as the country seeks to limit its use of foreign coal. The seventh question is, which state in India has the first biogas plant? The India's first biogas plant was built in 1859 in a leper colony in Mumbai. The eighth question is, what is the price of 1 kg biogas in India? The landed price of the gas per kg to developer will be 71.60 rupees per kg. The ninth and the last question is, what are the 4 stages of biogas production? It's a biological process and there are 4 stages. The first one is hydrolysis, and the second one is acidogenesis, and the third one is acetogenesis, and the fourth one is methanogenesis. This is all about biogas today. Thank you so much.
My dear friends, I hope you have learned a lot from today's video, and so many more videos on new topics. Please visit www.talentrix.co.in. Thank you.